How to auto switch to mobile data when Wi-Fi is weak. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to switch to mobile data when Wi-Fi is weak. Now let's get right into the tutorial. By setting up your device to automatically switch to mobile data when your Wi-Fi quality is poor, you can ensure a smoother and uninterrupted browsing experience. So to make sure your device auto-switch to mobile data when Wi-Fi is weak, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device and tap on the cellular option and further go ahead and scroll all the way to the down until you see the option for Wi-Fi Assist. Here, make sure the toggle button for Wi-Fi Assist is enabled, as when this feature is enabled, your device will automatically use cellular data when Wi-Fi connectivity is poor. So, this is how you can switch to mobile data when Wi-Fi is weak. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.